What is up, guys? My name is to Place, and in today's video, I'll be showing you that's my friend. You know, we came very far from. Who's gonna tell me? Yeah, we came like very far from spawn. I'm gonna make a bed for him. My friend needs a bed. Stay and hide. I need to get some wood. My friend needs it. And okay. Where are you, Makuzen? Lol, they're asleep. Let's sleep and then I got a dog I got a dog, if you remember from last episode. Well, I guess he's gonna be AFK. Well. Oh. Looks like my friend's gonna be AFK. Well, I don't know. I'll make a chest and I'll give him some materials. I can hear that skeleton. I'm gonna take a chest. Seriously? I'm gonna keep a chest right here for him. I'm gonna keep him some cobblestone and iron. Hopefully he'll take it. He needs it like much more than me. Stay safe, Lakuzen. I wanna find blue dye so I can. You know, come down right now. You know, I like blue so much. I don't like red. That's me. I'm not gonna use my. No. Let's go, doggo. Are we literally on an edge of the island? Oh my god. Don't worry, guys. Every single episode, I will wait for my friend to come near me, you know, and then I'll do the job. Well, see something on fire. Can I have some blue flowers or something? I really need something blue. Oh, no. Wait a minute, I remember you. You're the flamey thingy. Oh my god. Where's my dog? Hey, it's a piggy, small little piggy. It's so cute. Okay. Anyways, stick to plan. I need to find a. I'll tell you what. I know that the thingy was called the end thingy. What the hell is it called? End portal thingy. It's on the seaside. I'm not going there. I don't even have iron armor. I'm such a god. Well, anyways, you know. Oh, my friend is AFK. Yeah, some yellow flowers. I don't like yellow much. I hate yellow. I need some blue flowers, please. Beg ya. Here, chickens. Don't mind if I take your good dog. My dog's gonna do everything for me. Lol. I know a dog loves woofing sheep, so I guess let's get on with it. My dog is like, it won't get lost at all, because I have only been traveling by the last 2 episodes. Go get it, my doggo, go for it. Good dog. And my father. You can't escape, dog. I mean, you can't escape. Sheep. Sheepy. So much food. Go, my dog. You are very intelligent. 100 IQ, dog. I have enough food now. I'm 100 IQ. Dog, do it. Follow me, doggo. Oh. I need dead meat. Is that a blue flowers? Like, blue flowers. I want to find something like a village. From that time, I have not found anything. If I get shot, I am dead. If I get shot, I am dead. That is coming. Good boy. Good dog. Good dog. I'm sorry, you doggo. I need food. Don't worry. I guess we'll find more food, you know. These things do generate, right? I'm gonna go. I know that path. I know that path very well. I heard you. Sorry. I'm not gonna die. I have a dog and you have nothing. So you're gonna die. Stupid dog. No, not stupid dog. Come down safely. Alright? Yeah, that's a good dog. I wanna find a village. Oh my god, from a long time I want to find a village. Oh. Or should we swim? Oh no. I don't have a boat. Besides, I don't want to get lost in the sea. I think I should start swimming. If I find an end monument, I have no idea what to do. It'll be complete chaos. I haven't even found iron. I'm so dumb. You know what my friend's gonna do after he's AFK? He's gonna have to search and find me. I have to search and find him because I don't know where I came from. Now I don't know how to build a boat. I'm such a noob. Oh, I think I know how to build it. I think. No. Oh, I'm gonna go crafting, I guess. I'll become a pro in crafting. Now I guess we have to adventure far. Can my dog sit please? I need my dog to also come. My dog doesn't come, does it? doggo, dummy, doggo. Now get on this boat right now. Come on, doggo. You can do it. Jump, jump, jump. You're not coming, are you? Don't be stubborn. And come. Good doggy. Good doggy. Go dog. You are good. Can dogs not get on boats? Get in. Go, go, go. You can do it. I have determination for you. Go. This is going to be hard. How am I supposed to bring my dog? Dogs teleport, right? They do, right? Going forward. They do teleport, right? Right? Dog? What am I doing? I should be adventuring. I'll leave my dog behind. I found land. I found a whole island. And my dog teleport? How does it go so down? But if my dog can't teleport, it should, right? Then? No, I don't want despawn. Shouldn't despawn. No, I'm going back. Nobody can stop me from going back to my old. I'm so sorry. But how do you get the dog to sit in a boat? Doggo? Isn't that you? Hey, doggo. Let's go. You're a good dog. Don't worry. I'll never leave you. Never again. Ever. Go, doggo, go. You can swim. I know you can swim. You're really good at swimming. Dogs can swim, right? I need my dog to come with me. Let's go attack some entities. Since Lucas is gonna be AFK. Right? Think about what's my dog. Oh, good dog. Come on, let's go attack some more entities. I'm gonna get it right now. Go for it, doggo. Go for it. Doggo, you hate swimming? It's okay, return to the surface. Return to the surface. Come attack me, bitch. No! You mad maniacs. explored enough of this yet. But the one thing I know I'm very sure of, my dog definitely cannot swim. What just happened? Good, brother? Good dog. I guess I'll have to drown. I know when I drown, you come here right now. Oh wow, you took so long to swim. You're a horrible swimmer. Good job, Rock. I mean, Doggo. Don't go behind. Go front. Go front. Go front. Let's eat. No meat. Doggo. Ah. Skeleton. Doggo, stay right there. Come back in a sec. What are you gonna do? Don't run away from me. Good dog. Get that monster. I need that so much. Don't even think about escaping. Creeper, seriously, wow, impressive. Dog, just don't teleport, okay? Don't teleport. I mean, you can, if you could teleport, then why would you? Ah! I guess that's it. Okay. Bravo. I haven't even found anything. Like, what is happening? Okay, whatever. See you later, guys. Okay, this was kind of boring episode, but please like and subscribe, maybe. Goodbye.